Hello friends, Kalarav School Halol presenting this video for standard 9, 10th and 11th English medium subject English grammar. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the writing section. In writing section, report writing will come in the exam. For standard 10th particular, it will come for the 5 marks, and different standard like standard 9th and standard 11th, it will come also for the 5 marks in exam as a writing section. So what is the meaning of the report writing, why we are writing the report, and what is its importance, that all the things we are going to discuss today only. First of, before we start our notice writing, there is a format is given on your screen, that you can see that format, how while you writing the report, which points you have to keep in your mind, that is very important. Okay, format of a report. So first of all, you have to make the bracket here like this. You can see on your screen, that is a bracket. In bracket, first of all, you have to write down the headline in block letters only. Block letters means capital letters only. While you writing, while you preparing the report, whatever the headline is there, it must be a capital letter. Okay, whatever the headline is given, that is given into the question only. So you have to make the headline of that into the block letter only. So after that, here you have to write down the place. Then after here, you have to put down, make the comma. After that, you have to write down date, and that mention the double dot. Body of the report in about 10 to 15 to 20 lines. Whatever the body of the report, it will be right after showing the topic. Okay, whatever the topic is there, according to that you have to write down the body of the report. Then after, it should give a clear idea of the time and event. Okay, if the season is about the festival, if you prepare the report about the accident, whatever the things or whatever the incident you are going to prepare a report, that is must be proper, clear. The idea about the date and time should be mentioned, must be mentioned in that report. It is very necessary to mention the time and the date of the event. Okay, after that, how it occurred means which of that things, just because of that it happened, is its causes, why it happened, give the reason why it happened. Okay, its effects and fear and future prospect, etc. These things you must mention while you writing the preparing the report. Okay, finally, at last, mention in short form of the name of the network reporting news, which news channel you are belonging with. Okay, which newspaper you are belonging with. All the things you have to mentioning at the last, and mention the name of that. After doing that, you have to mention the example, like here given the example like Times News Network, so TNN. Okay, points to consider while you writing a report. While you preparing the report, which points you have to keep in your mind. First is the headline should be given a total idea of the report. Whatever the headline you are writing, into the middle of the, you can see here, into the middle of the page, whatever the headline you are writing, it should be given a total idea of the report. Mention the place where the incident took place. Okay, mention the place where the incident took place. You have to clarify about that place. Okay, mention the date, for example 16 March, but do not mention the year. No need to mention the year, because this report is preparing for the same year on which you are living, so no need to mention about the year. This point you have to clear in your mind while you preparing the report writing. After that, you have to make the report describe only facts. Okay, whatever you are writing, that just belong with the facts only. No need to write about the imagination thing. Okay, so do not write, give your personal opinion. You are not supposed to give your personal opinion in that report writing. So it should be clear in your mind while you preparing the report writing, whatever you write that in the report, everything should be fact and actual event, whatever happening in front of you, or whatever happening into the incident. So here given a sample of the report writing. Sample of the report writing is given here. Okay, write a report on your school trip up to a site historical importance to your school news center. Okay, so here you can mention the name of your school, on which place your school had situated. At that you have to write down, mention with the capital letters only into the middle of the page. After that, first of all you have to mention the name of the city, Ahmedabad, which city you belong, you can write the name of that particular city. Then after 10 December like this you can mention, no need to mention the year. Okay, after that you have to do the double dot here, and then after you write the exactly about this. I will send you this report writing through the PDF. So you have to write down, I will send you 2 report writing through the PDF, actually 4 writing through the PDF that you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, and this rules and these rules also you have to write down in your notebook, that will be asked in the exam. It is very important for you. So it is right, you have to write this into your separate grammar notebook. Okay friends, I hope you can understand about the report writing, how it will be right in the exam if it will be asked. Okay, so in our next video we will discuss about the another grammar topic. Okay, bye.